This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance reward points. First, log into your Binance account. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Reward Center. Here, you will find all your accumulated reward points and any available vouchers. It's a straightforward process to get started and see what benefits await you. Binance offers several types of rewards. You might find trading fee rebate vouchers, which reduce the cost of your trades by a certain percentage, perhaps 25%. There are also cash vouchers that deposit specific cryptocurrencies, like 100 USD, directly into your spot wallet. Additionally, some rewards grant exclusive access to features or provide discounts on services. Understanding these types helps you choose the best redemption option. Redeeming your rewards is simple. In the Reward Center, browse through your available vouchers. When you find one you want to use, click the Redeem button next to it. A confirmation window will appear, showing you the details of the reward. Carefully review these details, then confirm your selection to finalize the redemption. The process usually takes just a few moments to complete. After redemption, your rewards are put to use. If you redeemed a trading fee rebate voucher, the discount will automatically apply to your subsequent trades. For cash vouchers, the specified cryptocurrency, perhaps 10 BUSD, will be deposited directly into your spot wallet. Always check your spot wallet or transaction history to confirm that your redeemed benefits have been successfully applied. Enjoy your rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.